Hey there, welcome back. Thank you very much for joining me for a great little segment of Roddos Rules, where we get together every week. We look at some really cool recipes. We take some good old favourites and we flip them on their head, take out the bad stuff, put in the good stuff and all the things that we should be eating much more of to lose those kilos, to make you feel well again, help you with that weight loss battle you've been struggling with possibly all your life, help you with type 2 diabetes, a whole swag of things there, and just to be able to feel well again and get out and enjoy life. So what have we got in store today? Well, as you can see, good old zucchini slice, and we've all had zucchini slice. It's a great little addition to go with a Sunday barbie or a Saturday night dinner or something like that. But this time we're going to take out, obviously, the flour, put in the good stuff. So first and foremost for the sin bin this week, good old wheat flour in the sin bin, bang that one in and shoot that down to my brother-in-law. He can do some cooking with that one and let's get straight to it. All right, so from the top, not many ingredients, super quick and super easy. So let's get straight into it. We're going to start with a few zucchinis. We're going to grate these up and then move on to the second part of the recipe, okay? So I'm going to just whack these in half. Just going to go into our food processor a little easier. And once again, the food processor is a great bit of gear. The old graters that you used to grate away with on the bench and get your knuckles on, none of that anymore. Just really simple, really easy. Okay, so we've got it all in. We've got the grater plate in there this time round. We're going to fire her up. Beautiful. And the carrot, look at that, straight in. Easy as. Beautiful. And done. So how quick was that? And that is so quick, it's so easy. We've got a few little bits left over just in the top there, but I'm going to just pull those out. I'm going to take that off. I'm just going to show you how quick and easy that is. Look at that. Look how much grated veggies that we've got there, all done, all ready to go. So we're just going to sit that to the side. Okay, second part. Now, we're going to take our mixing bowl. Let's clear our bench here a little bit. Right. Take our mixing bowl and straight in with our 6 eggs. Okay. 1, 2, whoop. 3, 4, beautiful eggs, locally farm produced eggs, love it. As you can see, beautiful yellow colour there. Pop those all in there, good. Now that's all done. Now we're just going to give those a little, just a quick beat just to get that started. And then we're going to add our other ingredients. So we're going to work through that there. Give that a little bit of a go there. Rightio, that one there. Now the next one, 1/4 cup our coconut flour. We're going to pop that in. Beautiful. And we're just going to keep beating as we go. Just keep adding that, beating it up. Just till it's all nice and smooth and all nice and even. Doesn't take long, couple of minutes. Beautiful, look at that. That's all coming together there nicely now. Terrific. As you can see, that doesn't take long at all. It's all beat up there nicely. Now, again, super quick, super easy recipe. We're going to run through our chopped veggies. We've already got those ready to go, so we're going to pop those straight in there. Beautiful. ready to go, and keep working through our ingredient list. Bacon already cut up, already prepared here, ready to go. Rindless bacon, you don't want it to be too hard and chewy, so go with the rindless. If you get bacon rashes, something like that, just trim the rind off. It's a bit easier to chew. And again, our onion all diced up, ready to go. Pop all those in there. Beautiful. And we're just going to give that a little bit of a, just mix that through. Oop, bit of zucchini there. Just mix that through, just so it's all nice and evenly mixed up. Look at that, that's all coming together. Smells beautiful. You can smell that onion coming through there now. Bit of zucchini we missed, pop that down. Oh, my mouth is watering. Terrific, keep that going. All through there. So you can see, doesn't take long at all. All mixed up, all ready to go. So we're gonna add our 1/4 cup coconut oil. And what we've done here, as you probably know, you buy the coconut oil and it's pretty firm when you get it from the supermarket in a jar. So we've just given that a little bit of a heat up just in the microwave, just so it's obviously a bit runny. Nice and smooth there. We're gonna add in just a touch of pepper and a little bit of salt just to flavour. Beautiful. I'm going to give that another mix up. Just mix all those through. It's all coming together nicely there now. Beautiful. Now, we've got an aluminium tray that we've greased really, really generously. Again, healthy butter, good old-fashioned block butter. Plenty of butter there just to help it not stick to the bottom. We're going to pop that straight out into the tray. There we go. Good, scrape that little bit out of the bottom there. Good. Now we're going to take that, we're going to smooth that right out, just so it's all nice and even all the way through. Beautiful. And look at that. That's all done, all ready to go, straight into the oven for a cook-up. So we're going to pop that in the oven, 170 degrees for 30 minutes. Make sure your oven is preheated before you start. And here is another one we've cooked earlier, all done, all finished, and look at that. It smells absolutely beautiful. That's going to be a great lunch today. So there you have it, guys. Really quick, really easy recipe, super, super healthy. We've taken out the bad stuff. We ditched those grains and we substituted with a good alternate, really healthy food to help you lose that weight, to help you manage your type 2 diabetes and get out and start to feel well again. All right, thanks very much for joining me. I'm really pleased you came along today. Rod from Sports Adventure. If you want to find more of our great recipes, jump on my website, sportsadventure.com.au. We've got swag of recipes there. We've got some videos, all sorts of things. Jump on. Feel free, you can drop me a line, send me an email, or even give me a call on my mobile and we can have a chat about just the way I live, how healthy this sort of living has made me, has made my family, has made all the people that I coach, and you can do it too. It's not hard, it's just a different way of thinking. Thanks very much for coming along. Great to have you here. We'll catch you next week.